up it's offside. Wijnaldum. Fabinho. Going forward with real purpose now. Liverpool lose possession. And he's seen the shot. No great difficulty there for Alisson. Wijnaldum. Roberto Firmino. Here's Wijnaldum.
The fourth official has
Roberto
indicated
Firmino.
there will be a minimum of 2 minutes.
The interception was a vital one. Well, that is half-time, and the score... And it is the kick-off here for the second half. The referee had a good look at that, decided it's just a throw after the tackle. Wijnaldum. Few possibilities for Liverpool in this attack. Sadio Mane. Here's Wijnaldum. Henderson. The build-up is patient. Fabinho. Oh, he's cut that out well read. Break quickly when they get possession. And that will be Liverpool's throw-in. Van Dijk. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. Good interception. And the away team want to make a change. Here's Wijnaldum. Coming really deep as a forward to get on the ball. His teammates really telling him to get up the pitch. Mohamed Salah. Fabinho. Now with Wijnaldum. Cleared it well. Wijnaldum. Trying to find the opening, which would be so crucial. Can put them in front here. Good stop by the goalkeeper. João Moutinho. It's Ruben Neves. Jimenez. Mohamed Salah. Won it back with an interception. Still got a bit to do, but this is promising. Swung into the box. Oh, that's great. And the wait is over. It's a fine goal. They've worked away at the opposition. And now they've got their reward. Nicely taken. And patience has paid off finally.
Liverpool thoroughly in control of possession here. You can see the manager down there, he's less than happy. Obviously his team's losing, that's bad enough, but no real sign so far that they're going to get back into this because they're just not